Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a dispersion particles like this using Trapccode particular. It's very easy and let's get started. First create a new composition, then hit OK. Go to File and import your image. I choose this image. Drag and drop, then press S and I'll increase it like this. Okay, now Control Z to copy and go to first one, right click and pre-compose and make sure that you are on move all attributes into the new composition, then it's okay. Yeah, very good. Now double click and I'll go to this building and I'll go to tools, pin tools, and I'll draw this part. Okay, like this. Yeah. Now make this image 3D and also this one, and I'll go to layer, new solid, and I'll call it particle. Then okay, now go to effect, Trapccode, and particular. Okay, very good. Open emitter, set point to layer, and go to layer emitter and set none to this. Now increase particle. Two, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 0, like this. And now go to particle, change size to 2, like this. Yeah, and see, this is our dispersion. Okay, now I'll go to physics, air, and you can now change wind X or Y as you like. Let me try wind X or minus, like this. And also you can choose wind Y to make it down like this. Yeah. Okay, now I want to choose wind X minus, maybe minus 200 will be good. Yeah, very good. And see. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, shares, and subscribe, and goodbye.